Thutha wa Karangũ wa muraya kuonekana magĩkũngũĩra birthday ya mũtumia wake ũrĩa wĩtagwo Kim mũthenya ũcio, Trizah mamake muraya nĩararekereirie ndũmĩrĩri na arauga niakwamba kuma social media hanini nĩguo ahote gwethera ciana ciake thayũ, kuona nĩcikoretwo na ciũria nyingĩ mũno. Akĩũria arata ake mamũteithie kũhoera ciana ciake. Arandĩkĩte ũũ nendaini: Good morning, nimepatana na advice zenyu, asanteni sana. Nilikuwa natafuta peace ya watoi na kuavoid maswali mingi ya watoto. My Emmanuel ni mtu mkubwa, anajua kila kitu. Maswali zingine uniuliza nashindwa kujibu. I feel for him na hao wengine. Ama mother hata kama nilimove on. Watoi bado hawajakubali matokeo. If you love Trizah, pray for my kid, not me, especially Emmanuel. Nitatoka social media kidogo kwanza nitafutie watoto wangu amani. Shalom. Na leo kwe mashabiki maragiũkire gũkũ comment section. Ta Emily Kamucoki nĩaracangĩria arauga men love peace. Nilimwacha akatafuta peace kwingine. For me, peace got me. Nake Emily nĩacangĩria akauga we all this after Karangũ was celebrating Carol birthday scheme. Trizah has not healed. That was what has triggered her. How I wish she could have healed on the crime scene, but ipo siku she will heal and move on. But it's not easy. Nake Kare Muigana ndatigetwo thutha nĩacangĩria akauga some men will force you to polygamous marriage by force. It is painful, but at times you have to accept and move on without moving out. Kwani you are the first couple on earth to divorce or what? This special thing you have.